In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Hostinger. Whether you're multilingual or simply need a different default language for your convenience, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to take. First, let's start by heading over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by simply opening your favorite web browser and typing hostinger.com into the address bar. Press enter and you'll be directed to Hostinger's main page. Once the page is loaded, the next thing you want to do is locate and click on the login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page, so keep an eye on that area. Once you've clicked login, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Providing your correct username and password will take you to the Hostinger dashboard, an interface filled with tools and resources to manage your hosting services effectively. On this dashboard, you're going to focus on navigating to the top of the page. There you'll find a profile icon, often presented as a small avatar or image of a user. Clicking on this profile icon will open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, one of the options should be labeled Language, English, or whatever the current language is. Click on this and it will open up a list of available languages from which you can choose. Here's where you customize the language setting to suit your preferences. Click on Select a Language and you'll be presented with various language options. Take a moment to browse through these choices. Remember, the goal here is to find the language that best fits your needs, ensuring a more comfortable experience as you navigate through Hostinger's features and tools. Select the desired language by clicking on it, and voila! Your dashboard and accompanying menu should automatically adjust to reflect this new language choice. This change is not only handy for non-English speakers, but it's also an excellent way to polish up your language skills if you're in the process of learning a new one. And there you have it. You've just successfully changed the language on your Hostinger account, making your online journey a bit easier. Navigating a hosting platform in a language you're comfortable with can make a significant difference in user experience, minimizing confusion and enhancing your control over website management. So if you follow these steps, you should have no trouble switching languages as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy hosting.